Do you know what a 3D scanner is? It's a device to measure the shape and appearance of real-world objects at a given time and to construct virtual digital 3D models. 3D scanners are used by scientists like botanic or zoology scientists, engineers in different fields like survey, civil, agricultural, forest, mining, aerospace, automotive, biomechanical, archaeology, medicine, teaching, fashion design, video games, like FIFA or Star Wars Battlefront, sports, like Formula 1, cycling or tennis, special effects, marketing, arts, CSI, 3D printers and much more. 3D scanners are revolutionizing many fields. Do you want to learn how to transform your smartphone or tablet into a precision 3D scanner and win amazing prizes? If you are between 13 and 18 years old, you can do so in a fast and fun way, totally online, from anywhere in the world and totally free. Create your team with some mates and a teacher. You only need any PC or Mac connected to the internet and to follow our short narrated and subtitled video tutorials that will clearly explain you how to do it. During first test you will learn how to scan a simple object in 3D. During second test, you will scan your own objects and then, you will have chance to win one of the 3D artist prizes. And during third test, you will learn how to be a young metrologist and how to obtain very precise measures with your mobile device. You'll practice and analyze your results, reaching a conclusion and improving the precision. Finally, if you want to win the most voted by the public prize, you must put into practice your creativity, communication skills, video making and social networking capabilities. You must promote the 3D model that you created FOR2 and D-test to get people votes, like scientists disseminate their research findings on the internet. What are you waiting for? Thousands of students like you have already learned with D3MOBILE. Are you ready to compete against other young scientific brains anywhere they are? Take just 4 minutes now to learn how to transform your smartphone or tablet into a 3D scanner and to take a look at the quick start guide.